In today's video, you'll learn some alternative nail clipping techniques on toenails that have an odd shape from onychodystrophy. This client's first video has almost 9 million views where I explain in more detail what onychodystrophy is, and she is one of my favorite people. There's lots of excess cuticle remover and shaping of the toenails, and we discuss some real-life issues. And remember, even though I show each of my tools individually because a lot of people wonder what they are, I also have a pedicure kit available you can find on my online store. So enjoy! I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
And then they get a discount on.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
I still feel comfortable in him driving south. I mean, for years, 50 years, we drove downriver. We lived downriver, you know, and whatever. And physically, he's gotten.
Well, I have a client, I saw her last night, and she got tested for the antibodies, and the only time she was sick was in November, and she had the antibodies.
Oh.
So it's been here a lot longer. And they, lots of thank you emails. I'm like, wow, like how sweet that people take the time out of their day just to send a thank you.
Yeah.
It's so nice. I'm like, oh good, I'm so happy to be back to work.
Well, it's the same thing as I had lost a measure and say that's fine. But that's interesting too. St. Joe's Hospital was St. Joe's, and then they joined up with a group. And when I worked for them, for Bill come through and look at how the doctors were coding things, and like if you went in for an annual exam, and then he ended up talking and said, "Oh, you can charge for code for two things, you know." If I hadn't been in the same Grand Rapids is the fastest growing city in Michigan. Marinara sauce to it too. So it's got the creamy marinara. Get that. Yeah, last fall I was thinking, well, maybe I'd have to have a hip replacement. It was really bothering me. It was like right, and he sat, I don't know how long they're going to last. In fact, I had an appointment with
we'll be out of here.
The artist.
Oh, just 1 second. Don't move yet. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.